હાય એવરીવન, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. ફરીથી હું તમારા બધાનું સ્વાગત કરું છું. મિત્રો, તમને ખ્યાલ છે એ પ્રમાણે શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આપણે આ દિવસોમાં લખી રહ્યા છે નોટબુકની અંદર, અને અગાઉ 2 લેક્ચર્સ દરમિયાન આપણે યુનિટ 1, યુનિટ 2 પૂરું કર્યું છે, અને આજે આપણે યુનિટ 3 એન ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ વિથ અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ, આ જે યુનિટ છે એમાં આવનારી જે મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એની આપણે ચર્ચા કરવાની છે. તો નોટબુક લઈને તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ. પહેલાં હું સ્ક્રીન પર જે લખ્યું છે, ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 11, રાઇટ અ શોર્ટ નોટ યુઝિંગ ધ ગિવન ક્વેશ્ચન્સ, ટોટલ 3 માર્ક્સ. અને ત્યારબાદ નંબર 1 કરીને ટાઇટલ લખી દો, અરુણ અ યંગ એન્વાયરમેન્ટાલિસ્ટ. એની નીચે આપેલા જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ પણ તમારે લખવાના છે. રાઇટ ડાઉન. Question number 1. At what age did Arun start an NGO? Number 2. What is the name of his NGO? Next. What do Arun and his team do? Next. Did he leave his job at Google? Next. Why did he decide to leave his job? And the last question, what do they do to keep water bodies clean? મિત્રો, એનો આન્સર હવે તમારે નોટબુકમાં લખતા જાઓ. હું લખાવું છું એ રીતે. રાઇટ ડાઉન. At the age of just 17, at the age of just 17, comma, Arun founded, F-O-U-N-D-E-D, Arun founded the NGO, inverted comma માં લખજો મિત્રો, Environmentalist, ENVIRONMENTALIST, Environmentalist Foundation, F capital, Foundation of India, I capital, બ્રેકેટ ઇઝ ઇન્વર્ટ કોમા ઓવર, અને ફરીથી બ્રેકેટમાં લખો EFI. મિત્રો, EFIનું ફૂલ ફોર્મ થાય છે એન્વાયરમેન્ટાલિસ્ટ ફાઉન્ડેશન ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા, અને આ EFI જે છે એ એની સ્થાપના અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિએ કરી હતી, જે પોતાની NGO છે. સો મિત્રો, લખ્યું આપણે નોટબુકમાં કે એટ ધી એજ ઓફ જસ્ટ 17, અરુણ ફાઉન્ડેડ ધી NGO Environmentalist Foundation of India, that is EFI. Continue. Arun and his team have started cleaning beaches, BEACHES. Arun and his team have started cleaning beaches and water bodies in Chennai, 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 comma, Hyderabad, H capital, HYDERABAD, Hyderabad, comma, Delhi, D capital, DELHI, Delhi, etc., etc. dot dot. Continue. He and his team clean lakes, 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 comma, beaches and zoos, ZOOS, प्राणी संग्रहालयो, zoos, comma, plant trees, comma, educate people through, THROUGH, through street plays, STREET, street plays, શેરી નાટકો જેને કહેવાય ના, street plays, and also make environment friendly paper bags. I repeat my sentence. Arun and his team have started cleaning beaches and water bodies in Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, etc. He and his team clean lakes, beaches and zoos, plant trees, educate people through street plays and also make environment friendly paper bags. Full stop. Continue. For the sake of environment, comma, he left, left, he left his well paid job, WELLPAID, well paid job at the Google, the name mitro, at Google, full stop, continue. He felt that he wanted to do something better. He wanted to do something better for the environment, and that something needed his full attention, 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 full stop नहीं करो मित्रों, comma. So he left his job at Google for EFI, full stop, continue. He and his team care, CARE, he and his team care for water bodies, full stop, continue. They try to keep lakes and other water bodies free from garbage, 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 thinking that birds, frogs and snakes can live in peace, PEACE, and in peace, full stop, continue. They wear, WEAR, pehervu, they wear nose masks, MASKS, sanitary, SANITARY, sanitary gloves, 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 and carry, CARRY, carry racks, RAKES, racks, and spads, SPADES, spads, to collect garbage, 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 full stop, continue. They also use heavy machinery, MACHINERY, heavy machinery like earth movers, EARTH, earth movers, and poclane, P capital, POCLAIN, poclane, to desilt, DESILT, to desilt the lake and clear the weeds, 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 and shrubs, 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 harmful to environment, full stop, continue. The team also take care of, the team also take care of other life forms, other life forms, forms. I repeat the sentence. The team also take care of other life forms. Full stop. મિત્રો બીજી શોર્ટ નોટ આપણે જોઈ લઈએ. ટાઇટલ છે અરુણ્સ એનજીઓ EFI. Write down the questions. What is the name of the foundation Arun set up? Second question. At what age did he do that? Next question. Why did he start that NGO? Next question. What have the members of the EFI done so far? Next question. What else does the NGO do for the sake of environment? And the last question, my dear friends, how does the NGO encourage the students? Your answer. Short note મિત્રો લખો નોટબુકમાં. Write down. Arun Krishnamurthy founded an NGO named NAMED, named, comma, into single inverted comma માં લખવાનું મિત્રો, environmentalist, 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 Foundation of India, invert comma over bracket માં લખવાનું છે EFI. At the age of 17, full stop, continue. This NGO began, began their work saving, saving turtle, TURTLE, turtle eggs, EGGS, turtle eggs, and young, YOUNG, young hatchlings, 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 in his city, Chennai, C capital, HENNAI, full stop, continue. Nowadays, Arun and his team of volunteers, 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 have cleaned beaches, 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 and various various water bodies in almost all the major cities, like Hyderabad, H capital, HYDERABAD, Hyderabad, comma, Chennai, C capital, CHENNAI, comma, Delhi, D capital, DELHI, comma, Coimbatore, C capital, COIMBATORE, Coimbatore, and Pondicherry, P capital, PUNDUCHERRY, Pondicherry, full stop. Continue. His NGO cleans lakes, lakes. His NGO cleans lakes and beaches, removing garbages, garbages, removing garbages, full stop, continue. The team also cleans zoos, 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 comma, plants trees, comma, educates people through street plays, street plays, and also makes, MAKES, also makes environment friendly paper bags, and also makes environment friendly paper bags, full stop, continue. Some students joined, JOINED, joined his NGO when they were in class 7, when they were in class 7, and they are still, STILL, and they are still a part of, the NGO EFI, full stop, continue. The NGO cleans the surroundings, 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 and keeps, KEEPS, keeps the water bodies free from trash, 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 and garbages, GARBAGES, trash and garbages, full stop, continue. EFI removes the trash and other waste, waste that people throw around and into the lakes. I repeat the sentence. EFI removes the trash and other waste that people throw around and into the lakes using heavy machineries. The team also tries to restore, RESTORE, to restore the water bodies so that snakes, comma, frogs, comma, turtles, comma, fish can live happily, live happily, full stop, continue. The NGO encourages, ENCOURAGES, the NGO encourages the students to join his cause, CAUSE, cause for environment, full stop, continue. The NGO also offers, OFFERS, offers scholarships, spelling लग जो बराबर, SCHOLARSHIPS, scholarships to the students, full stop. મિત્રો અહીંયા હવે થર્ડ શોર્ટ નોટની વાત કરી લઈએ. ત્રીજા નંબરની શોર્ટ નોટ નોટબુકમાં લખી લો. role of Arun's parents and teachers in his activities. Questions are: number 1, how did his parents support him? Next question, what did he do so that he does not fail his parents? And the last question, what did his teachers teach him? And your answer, friends, start writing. Arun's parents were very supportive. SUPPORTIVE. Arun's parents were very supportive. Full stop, continue. They understood, UNDERSTOOD. They understood that his interest was environment, ENVIRONMENT. They understood that his interest was environment, so they never stopped, STOPPED, they never stopped him from doing what he wanted. Full stop, continue. At the same time, comma, Arun also made sure that he did not fail his parents in any way. Full stop, continue. He always informed them about everything that he did. Full stop, continue. He always took their advice. Advice before jumping into actions. Full stop, continue. Arun's teachers taught, Arun's teachers taught how to go about things. THINGS, things. Full stop, continue. They taught him, taught him humility. They taught him humility. HUMILITY. Humility એટલે નમ્રતા. So they taught him humility so that he did not become snobbish. SNOBBISH, snobbish, or arrogant, 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 and start thinking that he was a superstar, and start thinking that he was a superstar because he was working for the environment. Full stop, continue. They also taught, they also taught him to be simple. They also taught him to be simple and keep learning and keep learning all the time. All the time. Full stop. મિત્રો, યુનિટ 3 એન ઇન્ટરવ્યુ વિથ અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ ની શોર્ટ નોટ્સ જે મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી છે એની આપણે આ વિડીયોમાં ચર્ચા કરી લીધી. મિત્રો, હજુ પણ આપણા માત્ર 3 જ યુનિટ પૂરા થયા છે. 4th નંબરનું જે યુનિટ છે અ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન, એની આપણે ચર્ચા, એમાં રહેલી જેટલી પણ અગત્યની મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એની ચર્ચા આપણે આપણા નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયો લેક્ચરમાં કરીશું. ત્યાં સુધી અહીંયા આગળ આપણે અટકીએ છીએ. ગુડ બાય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. ફરીથી આ જ રીતે આપણે શોર્ટ નોટ્સને લખવાની છે અને જેટલી પણ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ તમારી નોટબુકમાં લખાઈ ગઈ છે એને રોજબરોજ તૈયાર કરતા રહો, વાંચતા રહો અને સમજતા રહો, જેથી કરીને જ્યારે પણ આ પ્રકારની શોર્ટ નોટ પૂછાય છે ત્યારે તમને ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 11ની અંદરથી 3માંથી 3 માર્ક્સ મળી શકે. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ગુડ બાય. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળીશું. યુનિટ નંબર 4ની ચર્ચા કરીશું. એમાં જે શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એની આપણે વાત કરીશું અને ધ્યાનથી આપણે એને બધી શોર્ટ નોટ્સને લખી લઈશું. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ગુડ બાય. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર બીઇંગ હિયર.